This is 1924's Lincoln Cent in Mint State 63 Brown. The 1924's Lincoln Cent graded MS63 Brown is a rare and highly sought after coin, especially in uncirculated condition. Struck at the San Francisco Mint, the 1924s is known for its typically weak strikes and lower quality surfaces, making well-preserved examples like this one particularly desirable among collectors. The MS63 grade signifies that the coin is in mint state, with no signs of circulation, retaining its original details, though it may display some minor marks or abrasions consistent with the grade. The brown designation refers to the coin's color, which has developed a natural patina over time. While not exhibiting the original red luster of freshly minted copper, the brown toning can add character and appeal, especially when even and attractive. For the 1924s, which had a relatively modest mintage, finding an example in mint state is challenging due to the high level of wear many of these coins experienced in circulation. This coin recently sold for $384 at Stack's Bowers auction. Hey guys, before we move on with another exquisite US coin, please hit that subscribe button below and activate notifications to stay tuned to COIN. Here is attractively toned 1955 S Roosevelt diamond mint state 67 with full bands. The MS67 grade signifies a near pristine coin with only the most minor imperfections visible under magnification, while the FB designation confirms that the horizontal bands on the torch reverse are fully defined and separated, indicating a strong strike. The Q and A on the sticker further enhances the coin's appeal, signifying that it has been reviewed and approved by a third-party expert for exceptional quality within its grade. The 1955 S dime is a later issue from the San Francisco Mint, with coins from this era often exhibiting weaker strikes. Finding an example with sharp details and full bands is uncommon, especially in such high grade. The coin's luster, overall eye appeal, and technical precision make it standout piece for Roosevelt dime collectors. Market value for 1955 S Roosevelt dime in MS67 full bands can range from $300 to $600 and sometimes more, added for the QA sticker and any additional aesthetic factors, such as vibrant luster or attractive toning. This 10-cent piece ended up selling for $928.12 with buyer's fee at Great Collections auction. Here is an old error penny, an Indian cent with 30% of center striking, as no exact date is seen on obverse. It is presumed that the coin was struck between 1864 and 1909. This error coin displays a significant minting mishap where the planchet was not properly aligned with the dies during striking, resulting in approximately 30% of the design missing and the remaining portion shifted off-center. Such errors are highly collectible due to their rarity and unique appearance they bring to otherwise standard coinage. In AU55 conditions, the coin exhibits light wear on the highest points but retains most of its original detail and some luster, making it an appealing example of this error type. The Indian Cent series is already a favorite among collectors for its historical significance and classic design, and the addition of a dramatic error like an off-center strike enhances its desirability. It was sold for $336 on December 4, 2024 at Heritage Auctions. This is 1909 SVDB Lincoln Cent in uncirculated condition. PCGS graded this coin as cleaned and assigned therefore genuine uncirculated details with non-numerical grade. The 1909 S Lincoln Cent with VDB initials is one of the most iconic and sought-after coins in US numismatics, marking the debut of the Lincoln Cent series. With a low mintage of just 484,000, it is considered a key date and highly prized among collectors. The VDB initials located on the reverse at the bottom near the rim are those of the coin's designer, Victor David Brenner. Their placement became controversial upon release, leading to their removal later in 1909, further enhancing the collectability of the original VDB issues. This cleaned coin ended up selling for $1,680 at Heritage Auctions. Here is a 1961 D Washington quarter in mint state 67 plus. It is remarkable that despite large number of mint-state examples of this issue, coins graded above MS-66 are exceptionally uncommon. This rarity is largely due to the harsh treatment these high mintage coins endured both during and after production. Collectors often seek out several repunched mint mark varieties for the 1961 decoder, which add to its appeal. Interestingly, the 1961 marked the first time regional coin shortages were reported, prompting a significant increase in production in the following years. This superb gem was sold for $2,308.50 with buyers who had great collections auction. Here is 1952 as Franklin half dollar in mint state 65 with full bell lines. The 1952 as Franklin half dollar graded MS65 with full bell lines. And CAC endorsement is a standout example for this Franklin series, notable for its exceptional strike and condition rarity. MS65 grade indicates a gem uncirculated coin with minimal marks or imperfections, while the full bell lines designation highlights the sharply defined horizontal lines on the Liberty Bell's lower half, a key indicator of well-struck coin in this series. The addition of CAC sticker further confirms the coin's premium quality. It was sold for $1,020 at Stax Power's auction. Here is another rarer coin, 1931 Mercury dime with rim clip at 3 o'clock, graded in mint state 66 by NGC. Rim clips occur when the planchet is improperly cut from the metal sheet, resulting in a missing portion of the edge. On this dime, the clip is positioned at 6 o'clock location, adding a unique and unidentifiable feature that enhances its collectability. Graded MS66, this coin is in superb gem condition with pristine surfaces and vibrant luster. While 1931 is not a particularly rare date within the series, the presence of the mint error combined with the high grade makes it extraordinary find. The 10-cent piece fetched $225 with buyer's fee. And this is 1943 D. Lincoln cent in mint state 68 plus, struck at the Denver Mint during World War II. This cent is composed of zinc-coated steel, introduced in 1943 as a substitute for a copper to conserve critical resources for a war effort. While 1943 steel cents were produced in large quantities, examples in such exceptional preservation are exceedingly rare. At MS68 Plus, this coin represents a near perfection with pristine surfaces, sharp strike details, and brilliant luster. It was sold for $15,412.50 with buyer's fee just this month at Great Collections auction. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed exploring these fascinating coins and their unique stories. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more rare coin highlights and collecting tips. Your support helps us keep bringing you great numismatic content. God's willing, see you in the next video.